Go and get your Air Jordan 1 highs right now. Yes. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Soansh and today we're going to talk about the falling market of Air Jordan 1 highs. हम लोग रीजनिंग में जाएंगे and we will also talk about the future trends that are expected and also बीच में हम इन्हें इन ब्यूटीज को अनबॉक्स करेंगे. So without any further delay, let's go. So अगर हम आज से 6 to 7 months पहले की बात करें, so Air Jordan 1 highs used to be crazily in demand. Everybody wanted to have them. वो Nike की साइट पे ड्रॉप होते थे and they used to sell down in minutes. And अगर हम at present की बात करें, so Air Jordan 1 highs drop, and I'm talking about really good pairs as well. They drop and they just keep on sitting for hours and sometimes even for weeks. I have clear examples like this one. इसके साथ तो बहुत ही बुरा है, ये तो अभी भी अवेलेबल है, and this one as well. So हमारे पास एक और मतलब बेसिक एक ऐसा ही पेयर है which is definitely a very crazy pair, but unfortunately इसका भी कोई मार्केट नहीं है. So again the same crazy pair, मतलब everything is so good about this pair, the colorway, even the box as well, but still no market for these. I think these were sitting for 2 days on Nike's website. So majorly 2 से 3 reasons हैं इसके पीछे. So एक जो first reason है वो थोड़ा generic सा है but is actually making sense here, that we as a country, or I should say globally, everybody follows US economics, US culture. So at this point of time, we all know that US जो है, they are under recession as of now because of various reasons, that Russia-Ukraine war and all those things. So उसकी वजह से globally there is recession all around. Even I was just talking to somebody who deals in watches and as well. So he was also telling me the same thing. So even if we talk about shares, even if we talk about crypto, even if we talk about watches like I was telling you, so everything is on a downtrend. Basically, काफी ज़्यादा slow हो गई है markets. So that's one of the reasons that I feel is globally जो recession है is impacting the sneaker market as well. The second reason is, which is the major contributor in this, and that is, अगर हम आज से 6 to 7 months पहले की बात करें, so जो Air Jordan 1 highs होते थे, उनका on an average price होता था 13,500 rupees. So जब वो drop होते थे, they used to resell for approximately 17 to 18,000 rupees depending on the pair. So उसका क्या होता था, एक तो उसका प्राइस लो होता था, मार्केट प्राइस काफी हाई होता था, तो उसकी वजह से एक डिमांड बढ़ गई थी एंड जो रीसेलर्स थे उनको दे वर गेटिंग दैट गुड मार्जिन ऑफ 5 to 6,000 रुपीज. बट अब क्या हुआ है, फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 मंथ्स नाइकी ने जो एयर जॉर्डन 1 हाइज है उनका प्राइस बढ़ा दिया है. So now a basic Air Jordan 1 high costs you around 15,500 rupees. But जो market है, it has not adapted to this pricing. So still इनका market आज भी 16 to 17,000 rupees ही है, which basically brings down the margin to just 1,000 to 1,500 rupees for resellers. So अब क्या होता है कि अगर resellers नहीं खरीद रहे हैं तो वो market में demand create नहीं हो रहा है, उसमें margins नहीं है. So this is a major contributor, at least in India, that जिसकी वजह से Air Jordan 1 highs are not too much in demand and are not selling at the higher prices. इसका फायदा mids को और lows को हुआ है because people are eventually moving to that because they are coming at a great pricing and उनके pricing में Nike ने ज़्यादा change भी नहीं किया है. So that's the second reason. And third reason एक बहुत ही generic reason है, जो चीज ऊपर जाती है it has to come down. So for a while the market for Air Jordan 1 was booming and now it has to face a downtrend as well. So अब ये तो basically reasons हो गए. So अब मैं आपको बता दूं इनके future trend के बारे में. So Air Jordan 1 high market is not gonna go anywhere. It's just a phase, and इनका market or maybe any Air Jordan 1 highs जो obviously अच्छे pairs हैं, not the shit ones. So they will again pick it up and they will sell for a really good price. Maybe 6 months or maybe a year down the line, but ये होगा for sure. So that's my view about these. So I hope this video would have been insightful for you. I think we have talked about these. Okay, we haven't talked about these. So these were like my easy foam runners, and I just wanted to show you guys as an example कि these are not just Air Jordan 1 highs. Every market is down. I know people जो इसे this comes for like 9,000 rupees and लोग इसे 25,000, 35,000 तक कभी से रीसेल किया है उन्होंने. But at this point of time इसके 15,000 rupees मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है. बहुत सारे कंट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, बट मे बी इनके बारे में कभी बात करेंगे. इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ वीडियो अबाउट दीस एज वेल, बट दिस इज हाउ इट इज गाइस. आई होप दिस वीडियो वुड हैव बीन इंसाइटफुल फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग. थैंक यू.